So, Luna had a meeting with Soga. Obviously, Masanza was the one that initiated, organized the meeting, and then Luna told Usoga that, listen, if you are not going to tell your wife what is going on, then I will tell her because remember, my money is on it. Atigena yena uyasaba ukumtshela uMampho what is happening because at the end of the day, he feels like uzomluza, and Luna says, you know what? You are going to lose her either way. Not telling her is the reason why she would leave you. So rather you tell her the truth and then she decide. And I felt like that was a fair game, like a fair point. Now, Olaluna then threatened that if you do not tell her, I will. You've got only today to sort these things out. And if you don't do it, mina ngizoyenza ke dadli. Hi, bese ugana Usoga was not really happy about that situation. The night comes, then he slept, and then Mampo tried ukuthi ambambabambe athi not tonight ukhathele athi Mampo, you know what, it's fine. Uhlala ukhathele, uhlala not tonight. Since we got married, you've got issues. So it's fine. Guess what? Nami ngikhathele, not tonight. Walala ke tuzama ukumpotopotoza lapha, it never worked, and then that was it. Then they woke up, go to work. Mampo, and then Onaluruna approached Mampo. She was so nervous, and it's like there's something she wanted to say but couldn't say it. Then now when she finally got an opportunity to go speak to her, and then now Masanza comes and interrupted, and then she left. And then to Mampo, it was just a hanging question mark. It looked like Onaluruna had something very serious to talk about, but then Masanza disturbed us. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing House of Zwide and Dimadekwana, Sanbona and Abshen, Malweni Minjani. Ipukile hingangwina. So namuhla ka ngonokwa hina wa House of Zwide. Hikumakuru last time kahle looking at the fact that Chris is still as arrogant, rude, and unforgivably irritating. Because now Utiena ufuna lento aifunayo, and there's nobody that's gonna change his mind. Now the two gentlemen decided to go and have a meeting. No Faith and Les. Now Faith says that, you know what, I need to intervene on this problem yakatatu, because what does Chris mean? Athi bamtshela ke ukuthi Chris uthe uzosihambisa emaloyeni, and it's now we don't think we have imali yamaloya wakhe nani nani. Athi hayi bo, uyathusela lo muntu loyo, ningamthatheli ekhanda. And then now it's like Unkosi does not agree with the fact that Faith wants to assist. I don't know, these people, they're doing this thing outside the collection, so they must see to finish. To Faith, no, we are going to help them. I'm sorry guys, it's just business. And I was like, but again, anyway, so Faith ended up saying that, okay, call Chris, let's have a meeting. Then they called him, he came for the meeting, and then he said he was not changing his mind. And then Faith said, you know what, I thought this gap that you were not working all this time, you've learned something out of your arrogance and your rudeness and stuff, but I still that you do not learn anything and you did not change. Now if that it's war that you want, then it's war that you get. In fact, I'm gonna get my lawyers to talk to your lawyers, and should it happen that we win, oh, if you think you don't have money now, see what will happen when we go to court. In fact, I will drag you there myself. I'm like, the queen has spoken. The queen has spoken, and there is nobody that's going to speak after the queen has spoken. Well, on the other hand, Sitola Ugutigena. Remember them Tagati for yesterday? Yeah, it happens that it's not them Tagati. Actually, it's actually Umama Shemu. Hey, yo. So now it's like how the reveal date was so dramatic because Utato was holding a torch and then Umlife holding salt. At when Umshang a torch, Umshang salt. Then they just realize, you know, he's an old lady. They don't even know what's happening with the old lady. Ekawashwa sambizum tagati atuntatemula pono nizoboshwa, guys. Akusum tagati la muntu loya. Umama